through here. So this is, we're in Pueblo, Colorado today, and this is the machine. And we looked at it, and let me just say that we have made a deal to buy it. So we've been through all the systems that we can on this thing. There's a ton of receipts, new rebuilt engine, new tires all the way around. The generator has been rebuilt at least once. And then the inside here, we're missing some cushions because they got left in Ohio. His mother was from Ohio. We've got this, regular Chevy front, took it for a spin. It goes through all 4 gears. It's a 92, and it drives okay. The engine just had $3,000 worth of work about 4 years, probably 40,000 miles ago, so it's in good shape. It needs a lot of cleanup, basic. We've been through the fridge. Fridge looks like it turns on okay. We ran it on electricity, but it's probably 30 degrees, 35 degrees inside the fridge, so it's not going to get any colder. This generator works. We had it fired up through the generator switch here, but then it wouldn't do it anymore, so we pushed it on the outside and it fired up. Missing a burner on the stove, that's about it. But you got the funky bed situation, obviously, and you saw the pictures. Little sink, and oh, let me turn this light off. There we go. Little potty in here. You got to clean up the sink. We got to clean up the bathroom. It's pretty dirty in the shower here. So anyway, yeah, we kind of liked it. And the price was right. $32.50. We're walking out with this thing. So no big roof leaks. It runs like a top. So this is kind of. We got some odds and ends, and we got some cleanup to do in here. Obviously, we gotta figure out how to make some cushions. That's the big deal for the seat, and then clean up inside here. But mostly, it's in pretty decent shape. So, new awning, like we talked about. So that is it. Missing a hubcap though. We had to negotiate that one out. Just a regular Chevy van 30, and it's got a 350 inside, so had a little damage. It had been fixed at one time here, and the window had leaked. So they've got a little bit of damaged wood under here. The roof has never leaked. It looks like the roof had just been recoated, and obviously they've caulked in the windows and things like that. So anyway, there she is.